Welcome our friends, parents, children to the Science and Play channel. It's been a very long day for me at work, but we are here again to learn our science. Last year during the peak of COVID-19, I saw this experiment which I thought was really cool, and we tried it. We tried it a couple of times, and today I want to share that experiment with you. You just need two ingredients, two materials needed for this. You need your dry pepper powder and a liquid soap, a bowl with water, and this to have our liquid soap in. What we will do is we will just pour some liquid soap into this bowl. This is just the same science behind our sippy straw experiment. Do you remember that? That was about what? Air pressure. So it's the same science as we push this down, the soap into our bowl. Now we are going to pour our pepper into our bowl. And our pepper is going to be our gems. Kofi, dip your finger in, let's see. Dip your finger. What happens? The pepper is still around his finger. Nothing really happens. Oh, it's pepper. Don't do that.
Okay.
See, nothing happens. The pepper gets stuck on our finger. So watch this closely. Watch carefully, Kakra and Kofi. Watch carefully what's going to happen once the soap gets in. Do you see our gems running away to the corner of the bowl?
Yes.
Did you see the gems?
Yes.
Can you see them running?
Yes.
There's none at the center. In this activity, as I stated in the earlier process, we have seen experiments we have done previously. We have seen air pressure whilst we're pushing down on this liquid soap. It's the same concept of air pressure. Now, once we pour the pepper in the water in the bowl, we had our pepper floating on the surface of the water. And so we learned about density. Less dense pepper was floating in there. So now let's learn about the science. What's the science behind this activity? The pepper is hydrophobic. When we say hydrophobic, it means it doesn't dissolve or mix up in water. Since water molecules are strongly attracted to each other, a high surface tension keeps the pepper afloat. Adding the soap down or dipping our finger with the soap in the water breaks the surface tension, and as the water molecules spread out away from the soap, they bring the pepper with them. And so that is the magic you saw, the pepper running away. And as I said earlier, during the peak of the COVID, we saw this experiment explaining why there was a need to wash your hands. And so if you wash your hands with soap, this is how the microscopic particles or germs will behave. This is the same way, and so it is very important you wash your hands with soap, not just water. Soap and water. Take care, stay safe, and let's meet again next week. Bye.